It's in there. And yep. So just put it back in. Give me a moment. Alright, now I don't know if I recorded myself doing that or not, but I hope I did. But yep. Push that up in there. Just have to push it down to get the two clips. What I noticed was, I didn't notice this when I was pulling it off, but this one, as you can see, is broken. So I don't know, I might fix that, like some plastic weld or something, or I might just leave it. I mean, it's pretty secure. As you can see, I'm pulling on it, it's not going anywhere. So, should be good. Yep. All right, let's give it a start. All right, so you can see, car seems pretty healthy. Stuff spinning down there, still spinning. This car is cool because, check this out. So hood open. You know, my temperature stays less than half on my car, which is nice. It will not let me rev up to 5K. It only lets me rev at 4K. So that's why it wasn't as loud for you guys. I guess like for these new cars, like engine protection. As you see there, all my gauges, oil pressure is good, oil temperature is good, volts is good, trans temperature's good. Yeah, trans temperature is good. And yep. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what this button is, it's here, I'll show you. Let me close the hood first. front end, man. I just went to AutoZone. Got an air filter. I'm gonna throw that in the garbage. I might go with a darker tint on the windows. I might not. I don't really want to get pulled over in this car, so I might just leave them how they are. Car is dirty, y'all. It just rained really randomly. Well, not rain, it was more like a sprinkle. It just sprinkled, but yeah. So as you can see here, if I press the button, you see that. But if you see that, competitive mode. I don't know what that means, but it sounds cool. So, hey, that's what I got. And yep, it's the car, guys. I don't know the next thing I'll be doing. I was thinking about seafoam in my car. I'm really thinking about it. But, you know, it's an LS engine. You know, it's pretty thorough, beefy, hardy. It's not gonna go nowhere, so I was thinking about doing that. Seafoam my car, clear out the injectors and stuff. I was gonna put 1 can in the gas tank for sure, just 1 full can in the gas tank. But I was thinking about running some through the brake booster, like, you know, when people unplug it. But yep, that's what I was gonna do. I don't know. I'll figure out what my next video will be on my car later. But I'll see y'all on the next video. I don't know if y'all been paying attention, but I have been uploading a little bit more. I'm trying to be more consistent. I got a lot of things that I plan on showing. So I did just get that PS5. If you guys are watching my channel, I am gonna make a video on that PS5 to let you guys know how it feels and make a quick review on it. Yeah, man, other than that, I don't know why I'm videotaping on my phone. It's on 4K 60 frames per second, so I don't know why it didn't zoom in. That's one thing. I really need a key. I gotta get a key. So yeah, I really want a key. Cause this one don't have the Chevy thing on the back. I really want to try to get it made maybe with like SS or something. That would be cool. But I at least want the Chevy one. I gotta get definitely a cooler key ring, cause this is kind of weak right here. So yep, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.